and a little bit more. They don't know how you like it.
What's up, it's QueenSit, and right now I'm getting ready to hop on my bike and go meet my friends. We are going to go grab something to eat at a restaurant in St. Louis, so it should be fun. I'm excited. And shout out to MFG for this motorcycle vest, super dope. So right now I'm at Prime 55 on Del Mar Loop in St. Louis. Actually, what's crazy is this is the exact spot where I fell on my motorcycle. So these are the train tracks that I went over when things didn't go so good. So anyway, it's okay. But I'm excited to go in and try some food. So stay tuned, it's QueenSit, let's go. What's up, it's QueenSit. And as I'm vlogging, what's up? And as I'm vlogging, I just met Papa John. And his beautiful wife, and we out here, y'all.
Oh, yeah.
You right?
Yes, indeed. My baby actually sitting a little bit, like halfway down the block down there.
What you rolling on?
Riding on the Kawasaki Vaquero.
Nice, and you were on the back? On the back.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We ain't playing out here. We hit the slab, too.
Hey, that's what's up. Hey, so they really about this life, y'all. So, hey, shout out to them. Make sure y'all stay tuned, like, subscribe. It's QueenSit, and I'm out.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
all right,
yeah, we're gonna see what this food talking about, so enjoy some of these images. Let's go. Y'all lame. Do it here. Now you gotta catch it. Let me get you. Ooh. I caught it. Hey. Yo, look who just pulled up on a bike.
That's funny. I was literally riding by.
How are you?
And I just glanced and I seen your name on the back of your helmet. And I said, oh shit, let me turn around.
What?
I said, let me turn around real quick. I know she's somewhere right here.
Your bike is so fire.
Thank y'all. Thank you.
The QueenSit out here.
Hey.
I was just out here on the ride, man, and it just so happened. And I ran into her.
Let's go.
Well, I seen her bike and pulled over and I had to call her. I knew she was somewhere over here, man. But I finally ran into her. I knew I was gonna bump into her just riding one of these days.
Right.
So I finally got her, man. So
we need to ride together soon. Y'all, tell me what I look like on a sport bike.
Look at that, man. Ran into QueenSit. Man. She knows she missed the sports bike.
I do.
Even though she dipped on me real quick.
These bikes so light.
She knows she still like the sports bike, man.
How fast you go?
Mine's top out around about 180, 185. I did about 155 on it.
For real?
Yeah.
What's up? Good, how are you? How are you? That's what's up.
I'm pretty sure I saw you.
Probably. I'll be outside.
Get the
Where you going?
She ready?
No, because I will hand it.
Look how far this is. Oh, I'm scared of heights. I'm scared of heights.
Thank God.
Ooh, I got nervous. Sit back. Who in my business? Winnie B.
I know she keep apologizing. I don't know why.
Yeah. We here. About to chill until we get to the party tonight. So, nap time.
No.
Yes.
Turn time.
Nap time.
Can just stop shaking his hand, bro. Give me the money. Don't know what you playing, bro.
What'd you say? Yeah. Hey, we on camera. You wanna say what's up to YouTube?
Hey, what's up? What's up?
YouTube, baby?
She clowning.
Hey.
This motherfucker on lit.
Hey.
On lit.
On lit.
Hey.
You heard it here first. It's QueenSit, baby.
Hey.
I appreciate you. I
You on
appreciate
lit,
you.
okay? See you soon.
All right, I see you.
I'm roll up out.
Yeah.
Bring it chill. I can put my bands on.
If a friend ain't around to record it, she been over shake that love.